Okay, so now that we've got this expression, 24.8 minus 3.1 delta t, notice that the squared has canceled out. Yeah, because we factored the squared that is here, we factored out to here and then canceled it. So remembering that we can't use delta t equals 0 in this expression, but we can use this expression if the delta t is not 0. So fortunately in part 6, none of the delta t's are 0. And in fact, that's exactly how it works, is we use delta t's that are not quite 0, and because they're not 0, we can use the reduced expression, and we can analyze what the trend is as they get closer and closer to 0. And how close can we get to 0? Infinitely close. All right, so what I did was in my y window, I put the reduced expression in y2. And actually, I wouldn't have had to because the unreduced, I put the reduced expression because I didn't want to put the unreduced one in. And I don't need it because the values here are all positive. So that allows me to just go to my window, and let's just clear what I got here. And we can do vars, y vars function, but this time I'm going to pick y2 by arrowing down. So I'm going to do y2 of 0.05, and I get 24.645, so that's what goes here, 24.645 degrees centigrade per minute. All right, and then I can just keep doing that. My next one is 0.01, so copy, change this to a 1, and I get 24.769 degrees centigrade per minute. And then with the 0.005, I can just copy this. And it's not really worth doing insert. I'll just go 0.5, close. And then we have 24.7845 degrees centigrade per minute. I forgot to turn my little lighty things on. It's a little dark. All right, and then 0.001, so copy that. Let's make that 1. We got 24.79. We can sort of see where these numbers are going as we go. And that's part of the idea here, is that you're understanding that the limit is a trend that the numbers follow as they approach some target value that they can't actually reach. All right, so here I've got 24.798, 24.798, 4 degrees centigrade per minute. And my last one is with the 1. So 24.79969 degrees centigrade per minute. All right. Now your whole goal here is to analyze the trend. What value does R of delta t approach as delta t is approaching 0? What number are we getting closer and closer to? 24.8 degrees centigrade per minute. What is the instantaneous rate of change? This is the instantaneous rate of change. The limit that you are approaching is the instantaneous rate of change at t equals 4. All right, so that's how you do limits number 2. Limits number 1, part 2. All right, so hopefully anybody who had trouble with that, you can look over this video and try to understand it.